Hi dear friends, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today we are going to be making a pair of earrings with the beads that we received from the box for July. And so we received from the box of July these hearts and these curved tubes. I'm going to be using these fire polish that I received in a previous box and also the earring hooks that I received in a previous box. So to start, we are going to grab one of these 3mm checks. And we are going to grab 7 we are going to bring them down, and we can leave some thread to make knots at the end. So we are going to pick up our heart, so we want our crystal to be in the center. So we are going to pick up 4 more beads, and we are going to sew up through the fire polish. And we're just gonna arrange this. So this is what you should have. If you see, I grabbed 7 beads, so it's 4 of each, and 3 are going to be in the hole of the crystal. If you would like to add 2 more, we can. For my earring, I want it like this, but if you can see, there's spaces right here that you can actually add 2 more beads. So right now we are going to grab one of these tubes. So I'm gonna have to take my threads out of the needle because the thread won't go through. So I'm going to pass it through the tube. Very careful so you don't damage your thread. I'm also gonna put this one through, and we are going to pull. So this is what you're supposed to have. We are going to pass through the fire polish. I'm going to pick up another tube, so right now I'm going to grab a wire guardian. So as you can see, it's very easy to make, but I think they're gonna be stunning. Okay, let's continue. So I got my wire guardian. So I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to pass my needle through one side. Bring it down. And we are going to come down from the other side. And we are going to come down through the fire polish. And this is what we should have. And technically our earring is done. So we just need to reinforce. But if you take a look right here, if we put an earring hook, our earring is technically done. So let's see how we're gonna reinforce. So be patient. Let me see if I can pass my thread. You can see it's really easy to pass the thread. I'm a little bit just concerned when we get to the other passes. So but because of the holes are large, I'm not having any issues with it. I guess it's just gonna be time consuming to reinforce, but these are pretty earrings, so it's worth it. So we will have to take the needle again and go through the beads. So we need to make sure as we tighten our ring, we want to make sure the beads stay the way we want to. So this is the way I want them to look. Then we will just put an earring hook and we will close it. And there you have your pair of earrings. I think they are very pretty, and once you wear them, I think they're gonna be beautiful. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel. Until next time, I will put a picture with the finished product. So go ahead and visit thepotomacbeads.com so you can get the materials and you can make these stunning earrings. Until next time, thank you.